Welcome to the Forestry Power. Hello. Today, we're diving into the world of tree cutting and the stories of mishaps that remind us why being careful is so important. Let's get started. It all begins with a strategic fall, a tree leaning precariously over a fence, almost as if declaring, "This is my spot." Moments later, the tree crashes straight into a house, shattering the peace in an instant. The homeowner stares at the wreckage in disbelief. The fallen branch, powerful and precise, crashes through the roof, turning a simple job into a dangerous disaster due to amateur tree sawing skills. With incredible force, the tree impacts the fence, reducing it to a pile of splinters. The treetop falls at lightning speed, creating a heart-stopping moment. Fortunately, the worker dodges just in time. Oh no! Another tree crashes with such power that it destroys a corner of the roof. To make matters worse, the tree trunk snaps unexpectedly, sending a worker tumbling to the ground. Gravity has the final say as the tree topples onto the machinery, leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. Disaster strikes again as a car attempts to pull down a tree, only for the vehicle to flip over in the process. It's a chaotic scene that leaves everyone stunned. Meanwhile, a worker decides to saw a branch while standing on it, defying Newton's laws and common sense. Predictably, the branch gives way, sending the man into a painful crash. Another worker, trying to swing to a neighboring tree like Tarzan, miscalculates and slams straight into the trunk, much to his dismay. In another scene, a seemingly controlled branch fall goes awry, landing directly on a fence and causing significant damage. Elsewhere, a bear climbs a tree as a man above shouts in panic, as if to say, "Don't blame me." Then, a falling palm tree blocks an entire road, turning a spectacle into an inconvenience. A tree branch unexpectedly snaps a clothesline, scattering garments everywhere and leaving the homeowner to sigh in frustration. When a ladder is knocked over by a falling branch, a worker tumbles to the ground. This painful chain reaction is a stark reminder of the importance of safety precautions. A group of people struggles to maneuver a large tree through a doorway, only to realize it's too wide. They pause, staring at each other in confusion. Moments later, another worker loses his balance after a log falls, sending him staggering to the ground. A moment he won't soon forget. In yet another miscalculation, a treetop pulls a worker down with it, resulting in a chaotic and terrifying scene. Thankfully, safety ropes save the day in some situations, like when a large tree destroys a roof but spares the worker attached to the crane. Cutting down a tree might seem simple, but a slight miscalculation can lead to catastrophic results, like a tree falling directly onto a house. One worker discovers this the hard way, being dragged along with the tree he was trying to pull down. The drama continues as a Christmas tree falls suddenly, shocking everyone before laughter erupts. Despite the fall, the holiday spirit remains intact. In another scene, a girl slips while climbing a tree but luckily grabs onto a rope just in time. Elsewhere, a worker loses balance as a tree crashes down, clinging to a nearby support in a desperate moment. However, not all escapes are lucky. A tree lands perfectly on a car, smashing it beyond recognition.
Power in the house.
They say luck favors the bold, but this clip takes it to the extreme. Watch as a falling tree grazes past a worker, missing him by a hair. It's moments like these that remind us, safety isn't just important, it's life-saving. Looks like someone needs to buy a lottery ticket or a safer workspace. He defies plans and falls off course, hitting a car and causing significant damage. Now, this is a sight to behold. A series of trees brought down in quick succession using the domino felling technique. Impressive? Yes. Dangerous? Absolutely. One wrong move, and the whole operation could spiral out of control. They say luck favors the bold, but this clip takes it to the extreme. Watch as a falling tree grazes past a worker, missing him by a hair. It's moments like these that remind us, safety isn't just important, it's life-saving. Looks like someone needs to buy a lottery ticket or a safer workspace. The chaos continues as a worker swings on a rope only to collide with a nearby tree, resulting in a painful thud. Another log retaliates dramatically, hitting a worker in an unfortunate sensitive area, much to everyone's dismay. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, redemption time. After a shaky start, this team pulls off a flawless felling operation. Precision, teamwork, and communication are on full display here. A satisfying end to a challenging day. Now, this is a sight to behold. A series of trees brought down in quick succession using the domino felling technique. Impressive? Yes. Dangerous? Absolutely. One wrong move, and the whole operation could spiral out of control. What happens when the last tree doesn't fall as planned? Stay tuned, because this one's a nail-biter. This next clip is a painful reminder of what happens when overconfidence takes over. A miscalculation leads to a tree crashing into a house. The damage? Massive. The lesson? Always plan ahead. The chaos continues as a worker swings on a rope only to collide with a nearby tree, resulting in a painful thud. Another log retaliates dramatically, hitting a worker in an unfortunate sensitive area, much to everyone's dismay. Stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you next time on the Forestry Power. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wild and unexpected moments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.